So one of my favorite summer fruits is pineapple, piña, but I see a lot of people just buy it already cut up and packaged in the market, and there's nothing like this fresh pineapple. But I think people are afraid, I don't know how to pick it, I don't want to take it home and cut it, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, the pineapple should smell nice and sweet, and it should be kind of tender. And here's a tip that my dad gave me, mi papi. Just if you pick the crown, the leaves from the crown, they should come right off if they're ripe. All right, so let's get to it. First of all, you're gonna cut about 1/2 inch from the top, right here, cut the crown off. Then you're gonna turn it around, and about another 1/2 inch, you're gonna cut the end. And now your pineapple is gonna be able to stand straight, and now you're gonna be able to cut it. So just kind of cut along the sides, all the way through. There you go. Couple here, one more here, there. Super, super nice and cool, right? And then, using a paring knife, you're gonna finish it off. You know, you wanna take all those kind of eyes out, eyes of the pineapple. So you just kind of go down, down, down. Clean it all up. There you go. All right, take all that out of the way. And now we're gonna cut the pineapple in half because we're going to take the core out. The pineapple has a core. So let's cut it in half. There you can see the core right there. You're gonna remove that, but we're gonna make it even easier to do. Now you can see the core right there. Using your knife, just take it off. There you go. There you go. And there you go. And now you can do whatever you want with the pineapple. If you want to leave it kind of big slices like that so you can grill it, or if you want to use it in a dish to make salsa, you can cut it up in chunks. You can leave it straight, and you can have your delicious summer fresh pineapple all ready to go. That's sweet. I love it.